Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Android Auto if it keeps disconnecting. Now, open up the Settings app on your Android phone. The first thing we're going to do is go to Connected Devices, and we're going to scroll down to Android Auto. Now, within Android Auto, a big help is just to go to Previously Connected Vehicles. And if you have your connected vehicle on here, let's just tap on those three dots and hit Forget All Vehicles and hit OK. So essentially, you're going to remove that vehicle from your Android phone. And then we're going to hit back and go to Connect a Vehicle. And you can see it defaults to using a USB cable, which you could use if you wanted to. Or we can just hit Connect while using Android Auto and go to connect using Bluetooth. Most newer cars allow you to connect directly through Bluetooth. So you can just hit Pair a Vehicle and add that vehicle in again through Bluetooth. If this doesn't work for you, let's just go back out of here. And you'll be able to see, if you scroll down, you can see Start Android Auto automatically. Let's set this to default or always, especially if it's not working. And on Start Android Auto while locked, make sure if that is off to turn this on. After we've done that, let's go back out here to the very beginning of your settings. From here, let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps and then Android Auto. There are several things we can do in the Android Auto settings. Let's scroll down until we get to Mobile Data, and you'll be able to see Allow Background Data Usage and Allow Data while on Data Saver. You can see if both of these are off, it could prevent you from being able to use Android Auto if you're on mobile data, so make sure to turn both of these on. The next thing we'll do is go back out here and go to Battery. This should either be set to Optimize or Unrestricted to allow it to use your battery and work in the background. After we've done that, let's go back out of here and tap on Storage. Now from the storage, let's just clear the cache and clear the data for that app. And usually this fixes it, but we can also just go back out of here, tap on those three dots at the top right, and hit Uninstall Updates. After we've uninstalled those updates, we can go back to Android Auto. And from here, we can go through the process of just updating this either in the App Store or in the settings. If you don't see it in the settings there, we can just go to the App Store. And then from here, we're going to go to Android, type in Android Auto, and then open it up. And you'll be able to see there's Android Auto. I'm just going to tap on Update, and you'll get the latest version of Android Auto. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.